This is life. These are the challenges that we must fight to enjoy the whole life. The difficulties, let down, betrayedness of defeat, successes, personal pleasures, war of souls, aspirations, dreams, problems, exhaustions, and fear. Fear is the only thing that take away the life from our hands, that make us don't see and not hear anything. It is the most important element for continuity. If you want to overcome it, you will win the game of life. Do not fear. Do not fear. Go out and show them your abilities and your energy. The world wants you. The world fears you. Break your fear. Jump behind this barrier or the wall that you make up in your mind. On the other side, everything great lies, and the most beautiful things on earth.